Hey guys, this time I got a better device. Not, I don't know if it's better, but like better camera. Okay, where's the bird? This thing's so hard to spot. Oh, there's one. I don't think this is the one I'm going for, but yeah, it looks like it's eating. I swear, my max zoom on this should be like. I thought it was 8. Wait, never mind, that's for photos. Holy brother. Wait, where's it at? Oh, on it. Take screenshot. No, screenshot? No, photo. So cute, brother. How many times have I said that today? No, I'm aiming at you down with a sniper. What the hell? I thought it was a guava, bro. What the hell am I recording? Oh, hell nah, bro. What the Wait, wait, there's guavas here? Didn't see those. But hell nah, bro. What the hell? Oh, that's more pallets. Bro, stop DDing that guy. I think that's enough bird watching for today, bro. I swear. It's from like totally normal to weird ass stuff. Wait a minute, found another bird. Found another bird. This one's not Diddy. Yeah, this one ain't Diddy. Holy shit. That was a jump scare, bro. If I had a Nerf gun, I would have probably aimed it. For no absolute reason. Ow, my hands hurt. Oh, where is that bird at? You know more electricity in my house now. Where is this guy at? Did he leave? Did he leave? It was probably what they're flying when I found another one. It's gonna. Gotta keep it at like. What the hell? Oh, where's this bird at? Why am I not? Let's go, let's go. Found it. I think. But where are these? Wait, hey, look at them through the camera. These like teleport, bro. I swear. Okay, I'm done bird watching, guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.